B is for Baba. T is for Thomas the Tank Engine and friends. P is for Play School. F is for Fireman Sam.
When he used the fire bell chime, Fireman Sam is there on time.
S is for Spot.
Spot, Spot, lovable Spot.
And ABC is for the best in children's video. They're all available for you to collect now.
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
One morning, as the bananas were coming down the stairs,
Oh dear, I think I've got a case of the B2.
Oh dear. What do you do to get rid of the...
I don't know, B2.
Oh, perhaps the teddies know.
A good idea.
so the bananas went next door to the teddies.
What was that?
It's only us, Amy. B1's got a bad case of the... And we wondered if you knew how to fix them.
Oh, poor B1. The only way I know to fix hiccups is to take a deep breath and jump up and down as hard as you can.
Are you sure it'll work, Amy?
Works for me every time.
Anything's worth a try. Ready, B1?
Then take a deep breath and start jumping. This'll get rid of them. You wait and see. There you go. Works every time.
How do you feel, B1?
Perhaps it only works for teddies. I'll go and find Morgan, see if he can think of anything.
Amy found Morgan in the park.
Oh, Morgan, there you are.
What's the matter, Amy?
B1's got the hiccups and we need to do something to stop them.
There's only one way to get rid of hiccups.
Yeah, and what's that?
So Morgan told Amy his plan.
Oh, really? Are you sure that'll work?
Always works for me.
Oh, but how are we going to do it?
Well, we'll need a few things to do it properly. To start with, something to go on my head.
Oh, I've got just the thing. Morgan, are you coming?
Meanwhile, B1 still had the hiccups.
Whatever are we going to do, B1?
Hi, bananas.
Hello, Lulu.
What was that?
Do you know how to get rid of the hiccups, Lulu?
Oh, of course. The only way to get rid of the hiccups is to stand on your head and drink a glass of water very, very slowly.
Well, if it's the only way... Well done, B1. You didn't spill a drop.
You can stand up now, B1, and your hiccups will be gone.
Thank you, Lulu.
I can't understand it. It always works for me.
Don't worry. Morgan and I will get rid of your hiccups. All you have to do is open the front door.
Open the door? How will that stop my hiccups?
You'll see.
Anything's worth a try, B1.
Just open the door, B1.
It's all right, Bananas. It's only me.
Oh, Morgan, you gave me a fright.
That was the idea, B1, to frighten away your hiccups.
Has it worked?
I'm not sure.
Say something.
1, 2, 3,
4.
Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All King's horses, all the King's men couldn't put Humpty together again. It works!
Well done, Morgan.
What about that, B2? My hiccups have gone. Oh, dear.
Morgan gave me such a fright. It's given me the...
Oh, no.
Hey, look, Morgan, won't you stand on your head and drink a bit?
B2, take a deep breath. That's right, and jump, no. Yes, take a deep breath. And then walk into the car. Take a Just right there. Just concentrate, please.
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
One morning, Morgan noticed something funny about one of his favourite slippers.
Oh, no. My favourite slippers are worn right through.
Oh, no! Well, there's only one thing to do. You're going to have to go down to the shop and buy yourself a beautiful new pair of slippers.
Oh, good. This time I want red slippers.
Why not?
Amy thought it wasn't fair that Morgan should get new slippers, so she checked her slippers.
Hey, I've got a hole in my slipper too. And I want some new blue slippers this time.
So Amy went with Morgan to the Rat in a Hat's shop.
Right. Red slippers, blue slippers. Oh, not a problem. Now, let's see what size your feet are.
I'm size 4.
And I'm size 6.
Right. So it's blue size 4 for Amy and red size 6 for Morgan.
Yay!
Right, let me see. Oh dear, I've run out of blue 4s and red 6s.
You all right, Rat?
Oh, just a minute. Oh.
The sneaky rat decided to swap the slippers.
Maybe the teddies won't notice the difference.
He put the red slippers in the 6 box and the blue slippers in the 4 box.
Clever rat. I'm a rat. I'm a rat. I'm a clever rat.
Oh, ow. These are too small for me.
And this slipper's too big for me.
Rat, are you sure this is a size 6?
Oh, Morgan, trust me, I'm a rat.
Just a minute, Rat. This blue box says 6.
And this red box says 4. I can't wear these. They're too small.
Oh,
Oh, cheese and whiskers. There's no pleasing some fussy people. I'm not some sort of slipper fairy.
What's a slipper fairy?
there's no such thing as a slipper fairy. He's just being silly, Morgan.
How can I get my new red slippers?
How can I get new blue slippers?
Did you hear that, B1?
I certainly did, B2. Slipper fairies?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. It's trick time.
That night, the slipper fairies did visit the Teddy's house.
Careful, Slipper Fairy 1.
Sorry, Slipper Fairy 2.
Then Slipper Fairy 1 put new soles on the slippers, while Slipper Fairy 2 painted them red and blue.
Won't the Teddies be surprised, Slipper Fairy 1? Very, very surprised, Slipper Fairy 2.
And when Morgan woke up in the morning...
Amy! The Slipper Fairies have been! They left me some new red slippers!
Look, look! And they left me some new blue slippers! Yay!
Let's try them on.
Yes!
Oh, no. My new red slippers are too small.
And my new blue slippers are too big! Just a minute!
Hey, these new slippers are comfy.
And these feel just right!
Hey, these aren't new slippers at all.
Yeah, these are my old favourite comfy slippers, painted red.
I think those Slipper Fairies must have run out of new slippers.
Oh. We fixed up your slippers.
But we mixed up your slippers.
Don't worry, we've still got enough paint left over to paint them the right colour.
Yes.
I like these blue slippers. They're my old favourite comfy slippers, but looking like new.
And I love my new old red slippers.
Let's go and show Lulu our old new slippers.
Yay!
Well done, Slipper Fairy
A
1.
very good night's work, Slipper Fairy 2.
And the Slipper Fairies were so pleased with the job they'd done, they flew off home to celebrate.
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
The Teddies had a new washing machine for washing all their clothes.
Instruction says the lid opens here.
Lid open. Got it.
And you put the washing in there.
Washing in there. Got it.
And now you put in the washing powder.
Washing powder. How much should I put in?
Oh, it doesn't say.
I'll put in a whole lot. Then if there's a little bit extra, our clothes will be extra super clean.
Good. And now you push the button on here.
Oh, great! Come on, Lulu. Come on, Morgan. Let's play a game while we're waiting.
Yay!
Are you sure the machine will be safe by itself?
Morgan, it's automatic. We just have to leave it alone.
The Bananas in Pajamas had been washing their clothes too. B1 had the washing in the pegs. B2 had a washing line.
Where should we put up our washing, B1?
Well, I think it should go in the sun, B2.
Oh, well, the sun's up here, B1.
And also it should go in a bit of a breeze, B2.
Oh, well, the wind's coming from this way, B1.
Well, in that case, our washing line should go
Here! Now, let's see.
Careful, B2.
Huh? Oh, sorry, B1.
No harm done, B2.
Now, let's put up our washing line, B1. Yes. Bit further.
Yes. Good. Now, I'll hold it while you pick up the washing.
All right, B1. Maybe I should hold it while you get the washing, B1.
Yes, B2.
Together. Reach for it, B1.
Yes, stretching, B2.
Got it. Now we can put up our washing, B1.
Yes, B2.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. It's fixing time.
The Teddies' new washing machine was working well. Perhaps even too well.
Oh, no. Amy put in too much washing powder.
Help! Help!
Too much washing powder?
Too much washing powder!
Maybe it'll make me extra super clean.
Tell you what, I'll put the wash on again. Morgan, you go outside, ride my scooter and dry yourself off.
The bananas had an idea to stop their washing line falling over.
Got it, B1?
Got it, B2.
Now, let's pull it tight.
Good idea, B2. Lovely. Ooh.
What was that, B1?
I don't know, B2. Ah, but it's coming our way.
Look out!
Look out!
Look out! I can't stop! Look what's happened.
Sorry, bananas.
No harm done.
Oh, apart from our washing being dirty again.
I know. You can bring your washing round to our house and wash it in our new washing machine.
Oh, thank you.
Who is this? Morgan!
With everyone working together, the washing was finished in no time at all.
Got it.
Got it.
And when the washing was finished, they hung it up to dry, inside, where no one was riding a scooter.
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
Morgan had been working all afternoon making a delicious mushroom soup for the Teddies' dinner.
Amy, Lulu, dinner's ready. My mushroom soup smells delicious.
I'm sorry, Morgan, but we were going to take you out to dinner tonight for a surprise.
Out to dinner? Where?
There's a new cafe open and we want to see what the food's like.
I'm sorry, Morgan, but we can eat your mushroom soup tomorrow night.
Yes!
Well, all right.
Yay!
But if this cafe isn't any good, I'm coming straight back to eat my delicious mushroom soup.
The new cafe was outside the Rat in a Hat's shop, and the Rat in a Hat was the waiter.
Good evening, sir and madams.
Good evening, Rat. A table for 3, please.
Oh, not a problem. Sir and madams would just follow me.
He called us madam.
Oh, he's very good. He called us sir.
I hope they have mushroom soup.
Thank you, Rat.
Why, thank you, madam.
I hope this is a good cafe.
Oh, Amy, trust me, I'm a rat.
Isn't this exciting?
Yes. Very exciting.
We've never eaten in a real cafe before.
Candles?
Candles. Oh, isn't this nice, B1?
Very, very nice, B2.
Oh.
And last but not least, music.
Excuse me, Rat.
Oh, yes, madam. Is everything all right?
Yes, thank you, waiter. Quite all right. But we'd like to order some food now.
Oh, yes.
Food?
Yes, we're very hungry.
So are we. We haven't eaten all day.
And we've already been waiting for a long time.
You want food?
Yes, please.
Mushroom soup.
You want food now?
Oh, yes, please. Mushroom soup now.
Mushroom soup now. Ooh, I'll see what I can do.
But the Rat in a Hat didn't come back with mushroom soup or any other food.
I wonder what's happened to him, B1.
Maybe we ought to go and have a look, B2.
Here.
I just want you to go away.
But we want to get some food.
I know you do.
Are you crying, Rat?
Of course I'm crying. Well, you'd cry too if you'd set up a cafe and got chairs and tables and napkins and candles and music and forgotten to make any food.
Oh, no. That Rat in a Hat.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. It's fixing time.
Yes!
You sit down here, Rat.
And we'll take care of you.
There's no need for you all to make fun of me. I said I was sorry.
Food's ready!
Mushroom soup.
And munchy honey cakes.
And yellow jelly.
Actually, I prefer green jelly.
Green jelly?
Oh, but I'm sure this is nice too.
In fact, they all agreed that Cafe Rat served the best food in the whole of Cuddles Avenue.
Somebody might be. It won't be me.
Do you want to sit? I'll press the ball. Okay, we're going to have some of yours.
This yellow jelly. We've just been...
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
The Bananas in Pajamas were very excited. Tomorrow they were going on a camping trip with the Teddies. They'd spent the whole day packing all their things. But at last they were finished.
I'm tired, B1.
Oh, very, very tired, B2.
Perhaps we should have an early night.
Good idea, B2.
Okay.
So they went upstairs to bed.
We have to get up early tomorrow, B1.
I'll set the alarm to ring at 6 o'clock, B2.
Good night, B1.
Night, B2.
Did you remember to pack our tent, B1?
Yes, I did, B2. Did you remember to pack the camping stove?
Of course I did, B1. Everything has been taken care of.
Oh, good, B2. Good
Good
night.
night, B1.
But the Bananas found they were so excited they couldn't get to sleep.
I can't get to sleep, B1.
I can't get to sleep either, B2.
Maybe we should read for a while.
Good idea, B2.
So the Bananas read their books until they were very tired.
Good night, B1.
Good night, B2.
to sleep, B1.
I can't get to sleep either, B2.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
It's glass of milk time.
The bananas thought that if they had a glass of milk, it might help them get to sleep. And when they'd drunk their milk, the bananas settled down again.
Good night, B1.
Good night, B2.
But the bananas were still too excited to sleep.
Still awake, B1?
I'm still awake, B2.
Oh, we'll have to count ourselves to sleep.
Good idea, B2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I think it's 5, B1.
Thanks, B2. 5, 6, 7.
And at last, the bananas fell asleep.
What the?
Are you there?
We're coming.
Teddies. Oh, we were so excited we couldn't get to sleep.
So we thought we'd come and visit you instead.
We didn't wake you, did we?
Oh, no.
Not exactly.
We brought you some munchy honey cakes for a midnight feast.
Munchy honey cakes?
Oh, thank you, Teddies.
When the munchy honey cakes were all gone, the bananas sleepily said goodnight to the teddies.
Good night, Teddies. Night, Teddies. Night.
And when they went upstairs, they only got halfway up before they fell asleep.
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
One day, Amy was sitting in the backyard, reading her book about dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs were huge creatures who lived long, long ago. What's that? Some dinosaurs were as big as a house. Wow! Oh, I wouldn't like to bump into a dinosaur. No way.
Oh.
Garden?
Oh, don't be silly.
But I saw it. It's as big as a house.
A real dinosaur?
A real dinosaur.
It couldn't be a real dinosaur, Emmy, because everyone knows there haven't been real dinosaurs for a very, very long time.
But it was a real dinosaur. I know, because I saw it and it looked exactly like that.
Well, it certainly looks the right shape.
Oh, boy! I've always wanted to have a pet dinosaur.
Yeah.
We've got to catch it.
Catch it?
Why not?
Oh. All right, but we better take some protection just in case.
No worries.
Yes!
So, dressed for the hunt,
OK, let's go.
The teddies went outside to find the dinosaur.
It was over there, behind that sheet, Morgan.
OK, everyone keep very quiet.
Right. Well, may I ask a question?
What?
When we find the dinosaur, how are we going to catch it?
Morgan?
I've got a collar and lead.
We're talking about a dinosaur, Morgan.
I still don't think there could be a...
Sorry, B1.
No harm done, B2.
Oh, dear.
It's the bananas!
Oh, hello, teddies. What are you all dressed up for? Is it a game?
Amy thought you were a dinosaur.
Just for a minute.
I didn't think you were a dinosaur at all.
What?
Well, maybe just for a second.
Well, we don't look like dinosaurs, do we, B1?
I don't think so, B2.
It was your shadow on the sheet that looked like a dinosaur.
Oh, you mean this looks like a dinosaur?
Oh.
You know, bananas, there are not only dinosaurs behind that sheet.
Oh.
There's also...
Very good.
A very, very good sheep, B2.
And there are also...
Yes.
Oh, what? Oh, that's a dog, B1.
Oh, very lifelike dog, B2.
Oh, well done.
Honk, honk, honk.
Oh.
Is that a duck?
No, ducks go quack, Lulu.
It's a goose.
And for the rest of the day, the teddies and bananas had lots of fun making shadow animals.
I've got one too. Yes, it's our turn now.
This one looks
now. Now,
Yes.
if I did
It's a
I've got another one that's called...
Oh, that looks great.
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
The bananas were going away on a holiday.
Are you sure we haven't forgotten anything, B1?
Nothing I can think of, B2.
Morning, bananas.
Hello, Rat.
Rat, we're going away on holidays.
Oh, I hope you haven't forgotten anything.
Nothing that we can think of.
Oh, you've got your tickets.
Right here.
And toothbrushes and toothpaste.
Right here.
Oh, and someone to look after your house while you're away.
Oh,
We never thought of that.
no, we didn't.
Oh, dear. Terrible things can happen to a house with no one to look after it.
Oh, well, perhaps we shouldn't go away after all.
Oh, but we've already got our tickets. We packed our bags.
What you bananas need is a house sitter.
A house sitter?
Someone who will stay in your house while you're away and look after everything.
Where are we going to find someone like that?
Right here. Rat in a Hat, official house sitter. Reasonable rates.
Rat, we were wondering...
Would you mind terribly looking after our house while we're away on holiday?
Oh, not a problem.
You will look after everything, won't you?
Oh, trust me, I'm a rat.
Thank you, Rat. Here's the key.
Oh, I'm a rat, I'm a rat, I'm a clever, clever rat.
So Rat in a Hat moved into the bananas' house to look after it while the bananas were away on holiday.
Oh, now this looks like my kind of a house. But first things first, time to unpack. I hope there's some food in the cupboard because I'm starving. Oh, yes. Now, let's see what's in here. Oh, no, don't want that. Oh, no. Oh, spaghetti, yeah. Oh, porridge. Oh, no thanks. Oh, there must be something tasty in here somewhere. Oh, munchy honey cakes. Oh, yum. Oh, I think I'm going to enjoy my stay here. Yes.
And enjoy himself he did. 1 week later, the doorbell rang.
I'm coming. Oh, hello, Lulu.
Hello, Rat. The bananas are coming home this afternoon, and I bought them some beautiful flowers to welcome them home.
That's nice.
Oh, isn't that a pair of the bananas pajamas you're wearing?
Oh, these? Oh, are they?
And look at all the mess. Oh, you are going to clean all this up before the bananas get back, aren't you, Rat?
Me? Well, I'm very busy, of course.
Busy? Doing what? Sleeping and eating and making a very big mess.
Oh, cheese and whiskers.
So Rat set about cleaning up the bananas house. First of all, he had to pick up all the rubbish. Then he had to dust all the furniture, clean the windows, do the washing, make the beds, straighten the furniture, and tidy everything up.
That's much better, Rat.
Oh, not a problem.
Aloha, Lulu! Buongiorno, Rat!
Welcome home, bananas.
Look how clean everything is, B2. Oh, it's also neat and tidy, B1.
That's what comes of having an official house sitter look after our house while we're away on holiday.
Exactly, B1. So thank you, Rat, for taking such good care of our home while we're away on... Oh.
He's fast asleep, B2.
He must be very tired, B1.
Oh, yes, bananas. He's very, very, very tired. Being a house sitter is very hard work.
Oh.
We must ask him to look after our house again, B2.
Yes, exactly. Oh, Lulu, we've got some wonderful things to show you. Lulu, come over here. Now, where did we pack this?
Oh, we've got something very special for you, Lulu.
We had a wonderful time.
I feel like a new banana. I have.
I think we've got something for you.
Oh, we've got some tennis. You should have seen the surf.
I think. Oh, so many photographs. And one time...
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
One day, the bananas in pajamas were cleaning the beach.
It's a very hot day today, B1.
Oh, very, very hot, B2.
We'll have to make sure that everyone who comes down to the beach today is wearing a sun hat.
Quite right, B2. We don't want anyone getting sunburnt.
Hi, bananas.
Just a minute, Lulu.
Where's your sun hat?
I must have dropped it.
And I found it.
Oh.
You'll have to put it on your head, Lulu. We don't want you getting sunburned.
Thank you, bananas. Bye.
Bye, Lulu.
Morning, bananas.
Just a minute, Amy.
Where's your sun hat?
Oh, it's in my beach bag, I think. Oh, no, my beach
I'll get it. Oh, dear.
Oh, no, my poor beach ball.
Never mind, Amy. We'll put a Band-Aid on it.
And blow it up again.
Oh, all right, but bring it to me as soon as you've fixed it.
Have you ever fixed a beach ball, B1?
Further down the beach, Morgan had made a sailing boat out of newspaper.
Come on, wind. How can my boat sail if you're not blowing? Oh. That's better.
Bee-ba, bee-ba, bee-ba. Emergency!
Emergency? Where?
Well, maybe it's not really an emergency.
But you better put that sun hat back on, Morgan.
Otherwise, you'll have to go inside.
And we don't want you getting sunburnt.
I'm sorry, Bananas. How's that?
That's better.
But how am I going to get my boat to sail without any wind?
We could try blowing at B1.
Good idea, B2.
Nice blowing, B1.
That's not me, B2. That's...
The wind! The wind!
A strong, gusty wind started to blow.
Oh, good. Now my boat will really sail.
But the wind blew Morgan's hat right off his head.
Hey, my hat!
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. It's chasing time!
So Morgan went to sit under Lulu's beach umbrella while the Bananas chased his sun hat. But the Bananas found that Morgan's sun hat wasn't easy to catch. The wind blew it one way and then back the other way.
I've got it this time, B1.
Let me try, B2. Both together!
It's gone out over the sea, B1.
Oh, dear. What are we going to tell Morgan?
You tell him.
Oh,
Go on.
We're sorry, Morgan.
Your hat was too quick for us.
Oh, dear. You can't play out in the sun without it.
I suppose I'll just have to go home.
Oh. Hey, look what I made, Morgan!
Hey, what a great boat! Oh, but I can't play with it. I've lost my hat.
Oh, no, Morgan, it's not a boat. Look, it's a hat.
It's a hat! Oh, thank you, Amy.
And now that they all had sun hats, the Teddies made lots and lots of paper boats and sailed them for the rest of the afternoon.
Yes, yes, it's moving.
They're moving now.
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
One evening there was a street fair in Cuddles Avenue. The Rat in a Hat had organised the games and everyone was buying tickets. Morgan wanted to play the Skittle Cans game.
Oh, 3 balls per ticket. Roll up, and try your luck.
3 balls, please, Rat.
Oh, not a problem, Morgan. Now, knock down the Skittle Cans and win a wonderful prize. Oh, missed. That's 1. Oh, missed again. That's 2. Last try, Morgan.
Oh, dear. Missed again. Sorry, Rat.
Oh, better luck next time, Morgan.
The Bananas in Pyjamas were playing Ring the Bell.
Now, you take this hammer and hit as hard as you can. If the mouse runs up the clock and rings the bell, you win a prize. Only one ticket for 3 hits.
You go first, B2.
Oh, all right, B1. Thank you, Rat.
Oh, no, thank you. Only halfway.
You have a try, B1. I'll hold it steady.
Sorry, B2.
No harm done, B1. But the mouse still didn't ring the bell.
Last chance to win a prize.
Let's do it together, B2.
Good idea, B1. 1, 2, 3.
Nearly. Nearly. Oh, no bell, no prize. Better luck next time.
Lulu was playing the Lucky Dip.
Roll up, roll up. Somewhere in the Lucky Dip is a wonderful prize. Only one ticket to look for. Oh, thanking you. And you have 5 seconds to look for a prize, starting now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Oh, better luck next time, Lulu.
So nobody had won a prize.
That's funny, B1. This mouse's tail is tied on at the bottom.
He can't possibly ring the bell, B2.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2. It's fixing time. Try it now, B2. Let's go and get our prize, B2.
Are you sure there are prizes in here, Rat?
Oh, Lulu, trust me, I'm a rat.
All right, then. You find one.
Oh, it's, no, all right, I admit it. There's no prize in the Lucky Dip.
You tricked us!
You tricked us too, Rat!
And me. These Skittles are all stuck together, so no one could knock them over.
Oh, I had to trick you. I couldn't let anyone win.
Why not?
Because I forgot to get any prizes.
But that's not fair, Rat. You promised there would be prizes.
Well, there isn't, so there. But if you like, you can all play the fair games for the rest of the afternoon.
And you'll pick up all the Skittles for us?
Oh, all right.
And they had a great time playing the games. While the Rat in the Hat picked up the Skittle cans.
Cheese and whiskers.
Stand back, stand
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
It was cloudy down at the beach, and the Bananas in Pyjamas had nothing to do.
There's no work to do, B1.
And no one to play with, B2.
I wish the sun would come out. Then someone might come down the beach.
Look, B2, the sun's come out.
My wish has come true, B1.
It certainly has, B2. It happened just after you threw that pebble into the pool.
You don't suppose it's a magic wishing pool, B1?
Oh, I don't know, B2. I'll give it a try. I wish for a rainbow in the sky.
It worked, B1. Your wish has come true too.
When the teddies came down to the beach, they wondered what the bananas were doing.
I wish we had something to play with on this bright sunny day.
Good idea, B1. Well, throw the pebble into the pool.
Oh.
Oh, dear.
It doesn't seem to be working, B2.
So the teddies decided to make the bananas' wish come true.
Quick, Amy, throw them your beach ball. Oh, all right, here goes.
Look, B2. It's a beach ball, B1. Your wish has come true.
It certainly did, B2.
I'm very hungry, B1.
I'm very, very hungry, B2.
Then I wish we had something nice to eat on this bright sunny day.
Good wish, B2.
Oh, dear, B1.
Doesn't seem to be working, B2.
But maybe our something nice to eat wish is somewhere else by mistake.
Let's go and look.
Yes. Oh, come on.
Quick, Morgan, the picnic basket. Yes.
Right.
Yes. Hurry, Morgan, come on. Quickly, come.
Nothing over there, B1. Perhaps this wishing pool doesn't work after all.
Look, B2. Munchy honey cakes.
This wishing pool works really well, B1.
I wish the teddies were here so we could show them.
Ready?
Yes. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Surprise! Teddies! We wished you were here.
We wished with our magic wishing pool.
Magic wishing.
Yes. You just throw in a pebble.
Make a wish.
I wish a great big purple elephant would come to the beach and give us all rides.
We can't give him a great big purple elephant. But they'll be so disappointed if we don't.
Yoo-hoo, purple elephant, where are you? It was a big wish, B1. I'll put some more pebbles in.
Careful, B2.
Sorry, B1.
We're sorry too, Bananas, but that magic wishing pool doesn't really work.
But it made the sun come out.
And a rainbow.
And it gave us a beach ball to play with.
And a basket of munchy honey cakes.
But that's our basket, and I put it there.
And that's my beach ball.
Yes. Oh, we tricked you.
Oh, dear.
Don't worry, you can play with my beach ball anyway.
Then we'll have some munchy honey cakes.
Thank you, Teddy.
I'm glad we wished for you to come along.
They played all afternoon. Then they had a delicious picnic and waited for the first star to come out over the sea.
Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight.
Oh, I wish the moon would come out as well.
Look, Lulu, your wish is coming true.
And so it was.
Isn't it beautiful?